the vlogs. Make sure you like and subscribe. What is up, YouTube? I'm Debo here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, it's going to be a quick Dollar Tree haul. So if you have not seen a Dollar Tree, I promise you that. So stay tuned, and let's get into the video.
A few moments later.
First thing first, in the Dollar Tree video, I found, let's see what I got here. Cotton candy Faygo, you guys. In the can, not one pack, not a 2-pack, but what? A 4-pack of cotton candy Faygo, you guys. I'm trying to get the focus on them. I've seen like all the other flavors in there, but cotton candy Faygo is superior. It's my favorite Faygo drink. Comment down below what's your favorite Faygo drink, but it has a 4-pack, and Dollar Tree was surprised. Let me get a couple because you know people love to get all of them and don't leave none for anybody else. So let me get a couple for it, because this might be a one-time I see it in Dollar Tree and I won't see it no more. So I got a couple of them. Can't beat it. For $4.25. Next thing I got is this Wizard spray, you guys. This is Wizard the Magic Double Action 2-in-1. It's a 2-in-1. Odor eliminating, fights tough odors, plus air freshener, fragrance aerosol. It says eliminates airborne and tough odors on most surfaces, as fabric, upholstery, and trash cans. It's a scent lavender, and it smells pretty good, but you know about this Wizard brand, you guys, that it sometimes squirts instead of sprays. It says shake it, but you can still shake it and it still squirts. Let's see. See, you see that little squirt right there? But it do what needs to be done, and it's a big, heavy size. It is 12 ounces. It's like the size of a Lysol spray, like the standard Lysol spray. And it looks like a Lysol spray, just different color and different brand. This is what it looks like. Trying to get the focus. This one is not me. Okay. Next thing I found in Dollar Tree is this spray away all-purpose cleaner. Cleans and deodorizes, eliminates dirt and soap scum, removes handprints, grease spots, scuff marks, and more. I've never seen this brand in there, but it looks like it's promising. Have you seen this brand in there, you guys? Comment down below. Don't mind my lips, I know the chat. I'm trying to show you. I'm gonna keep focusing on my face. This brand right here. Spray away. The cap. It's heavy, like it's full to the top. $4.25, a 19 ounce. It look like it'll do something. Like the less be the better sometimes. Like when they have all that extra stuff on it, like all the pictures and stuff, that'd be the main stuff that don't work. You know what I mean? Like some of the stuff be having like all the pictures, it do this, it do that. But then you actually get to do what it said to do. It don't actually do that. But less is more sometimes when it comes to cleaning products. Like this ain't saying all that. Ain't got no pictures or nothing saying it's gonna do this and do that. It just tell you in words, in plain print. So that's when you know stuff might do what it's gonna be do. Give what it needs to be given. Give. I don't know what Angela was saying, but I know Dr. Ben has this, but it's more to come. This Ultra Gel Washing Wax cleans and waxing in easy one step. By the brand Driver's Choice, contains carnauba wax, cleans the road grime, and leaves a brilliant shine. I used it before, you guys, and it works really well. I've used like half the bottle just for one wash, but it works really well. This is what it looks like. Comment down below if you guys use this in your car and how it worked out for you. Following next from Dollar Tree, these are some good gloves, you guys. If you work on cars, like I said, these are some good gloves because they rip resistant, and also, you guys, they're like better quality. I know Dollar Tree has their own brand, but like they're like thin and see-through, and like they can cut in any minute. But these are like they're better quality. By the brand GRX, and it says, oh, cut series, cut resistant, durable, and dip coated palm. What's up, vlogs? Oh, you guys know that about that time, get it while you see it. I know it's been a Dollar Tree, but I got a lot more things that you haven't seen in Dollar Tree, but I want to show you this first. This Killzone Flying Insect Killer, water-based formula, killing pests including gnats, flies, and other insects. Fast fogging action, kills on contact, kills and repels mosquitoes. I got it specific for mosquitoes because mosquitoes down in the south, be like a bad idea, they'll bite you. But as soon as you walk out the door, they'll get you. So make sure you get that before you see it. Following that, I know Dollar Tree has their own automatic spray cans, but it's like one of the best scents. The Berry Blast scent The lavender scent smells pretty good, but that fresh linen, they can throw that away unless they improve the scent. Have they improved the scent, you guys, for the fresh linen scent with a blue can? Comment down below because I don't get it ever since I got it at one time. It smells horrid. But this Berry Blast one, it's a good buy. 45 days of freshness. I don't know about that, but it smells really good. And it's another scent that they have around seasonal times, like the apple cinnamon one. Also smells really, really good. I try to get stocked up on that when I see it because it's a seasonal scent. This is like a summer scent, so it's also seasonal. You won't see this all the time, so get it while you see it. Get it in bulk, you guys, because if you go to a regular store and get like the glazed brand, I think it's like $7 for one. If you don't digital coupon. Speaking of digital coupon, have you guys watched my Dollar General clearance sale video? I have like 3 of them on my channel. And they're showing me you guys how I digital coupon and got stuff even cheaper on the 25-cent day. Next thing following on my Dollar Tree haul. What else I got? These are 3-pack air fresheners, you guys. Glade. Smells really, really good, but they don't last that long. 3 packs. Not 1, not 2, but what? 3. And this is the scent Hawaiian Breeze. They always have the fresh linen one, but the Hawaiian Breeze one smells the best. I also have a solar light, but I don't know what happened to it. Spray back.
Eventually.
Oh, you guys, also in Dollar Tree, I found this. That other one. Strawberry watermelon wrap snacks. Obi lemonade, little baby. It's pretty good. It's like a tart taste, but it's not for me. Like, I don't want to drink it again, but it's pretty good. But this is the go-to. They don't always have this, you guys, but it's the orange strawberry Sunny D. This is the best flavor they have made. I found in Dollar Tree. It is so, so good. If you see this in Dollar Tree, rack it up, because people in the store, they will buy it out. So rack up on it, you guys. It's strawberry, orange, Sunny D. It's pink, and it tastes oh so good. Is it better than the orange mango one? Yes. So I'll put you on again, you guys. So. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I had to find those bags. I forgot where I put them, but if you watch my channel as well, I found this in Dollar Tree. This is like the dupe for the pink stuff. It smells really good and actually do what needs to be done, but needs just a little more elbow grease, you guys. It's called multi-purpose cleaning paste. No more tough stain. Multi-surface. It cleans kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, indoor and outdoors. This is what it looks like. Have you guys tried this? Comment down below. I'm gonna open up and show you guys because I know a lot of people on YouTube with these Dollar Tree hauls, they don't speak or nothing. They don't tell you what stuff look like, what it smell like. They don't even show you that. But I'm gonna do that. I ain't gonna leave you guys hanging. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's like a paste, and it smells like, I'm gonna say fruity. It smells like that spray by that brand. I don't know what it's called, but Dollar General sells in Dollar. I think it's like grapefruit. It's like a fruity grapefruit. That's what it smells like. Next thing I got. Have you guys seen these soaps in there? Comment down below. They're the Coastal Cedar. These are like pretty big size, 16 fluid ounces. Ooh, I keep focusing on my face. The Coastal Cedar. Oh, let me put this down, guys, so I can show you guys. This one right here. Have you seen this brand? Comment down below. It's called Delta Home Hand Soap. That's Coastal Cedar. It smells really, really good. Rosemary and mint. The mint is like presents. You want to know what that smells like. And warm vanilla. Warm vanilla just like a basic hand soap, you guys. Not your Bath and Body Works, but it comes close to it. You know what I mean, guys. Next thing I got are these. I bought the Christmas color solar panel lights. These are like lava lamps. I don't want to take the sticker out, but it's like a lava lamp. The solar power you put outside on your ground. You can decorate a grave site, a grave, or anything like that with them too. But I thought it was a neat idea. It's solar powered. I think I showed you guys before. They had different colors. They had black and silver for these, but around Christmas time I had the green and red ones too. But they look really, really nice to have in your house or in your yard. Next thing I got is this kitchen lemon soap. This one smells the best. I know I seen the other ones in there. It was like eucalyptus something scent. That one didn't smell that good. And there was another scent. It was up in the purple thing. That one didn't smell good either. This one smells like authentic lemon. So, and it's 16 fluid ounces also, you guys. Have you seen this? Comment down below. It's about the same brand, Delta Home. Oh, I guess their line of products are making their way into Dollar Tree. I don't know if they couldn't sell them well with the price they were selling them at, or they're just trying to make another dollar and reach out to another crowd. So they can be like, oh, it's not in Dollar Tree no more. Where can I find this stuff actually? And they go to their website. Oh, it's called Delta Home. Let me go to their website so I can find it because it actually smells really, really good. They're gonna buy it for the full price. I guess they were trying to get people to get it out of Dollar Tree where they can sample their product. But then if they run out of Dollar Tree, they go to their website and try to buy it there because they think it smells so good or it did such a great job on their hands. So that's probably some good marketing techniques or whatever. But yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. Well, yes, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked this video, oh, wait a minute. Let me show you my plants that I grew from my last video, my last vlog. One of them has grown. You're gonna see, you guys. It's from the solar, what is it? The greenhouse thing from Dollar Tree? You're about to see. Wait a minute. Okay, you guys, so I just grew this like a couple days ago, right? I put in this greenhouse. I just checked it yesterday. It wasn't growing this high up, but here's one. I think these are pepper because that's what it smells like when I put it up. Look how big it didn't grow that quick. And what? That fast? I mean, seriously. Them greenhouse kids, guys from Dollar Tree, you should check them out. They're really doing their thing. And with the potting soil also from Dollar Tree, really doing their thing. But these have to be pepper because open that top and the aroma peppers, you guys came out so quick. But yeah. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post. And share this video on all social media platforms however you see fit. I'm Debo with the vlogs. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And look out for another video coming soon. To all. Bye.